Hindi ya kigomano kigio kinyaneru wa iria bururi-ini anyitite mimatiganite ruhonge-ini rwa wendia wa iria ni monanitie kigireko kiao kumana na endia a iria gukorwo makiaga kurumirira makinya maria magiriire hari wagiriru wa iria.
The players in the value chain are messing up with the milk, from water adulteration, from addition of chemicals to prolong the life of the milk, to others who are even adding other forms of fat, bluebird, maize flour, sugar.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa mahiu ministry-ini ya urimi Dagitari Hari Kimtai, kwa ihinda riri namba nene ya endia a iria na njira itakinyanire ni ongererekete nginyagia endia amwe makiruta wira uyu matari na marua maria magiriire.
We have developed the draft bill and it is being discussed between the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Agriculture, because of that the two institutions that are going to run the Food and Drug Authority. So I can say it is at the ministerial level, so the experts within the ministry are looking at it, and very soon it will be subjected now to the normal process of validation.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa bodi ya kuramata wendia wa iria ya KDB Margaret Kiboge nyeugite umwe wa maundu maria maracungiriria thina uyu ni wagi wa mashini cia kuigana cia kuhuthika icigo-ini ciothe iria ciendagio iria.
The role of the processors, of course, is to ensure that what they process is good quality milk, to engage the farmers, build capacity, and be able to and pay the farmers on timely basis, so that the farmer can be able to plan ahead.
Tirita ria mbere bururi wa Kenya gukorwo kigumirwo ni thina uyu kuona mwaka mumhituku bururi wa Zambia ni wekirire mukana wa kugiria uguri wa iria ria guku bururi-ini gukirikana ati tire kinyaniru. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Bataru Bwa Mwangi.